to scan QR code in Telegram. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to scan QR code in Telegram. So it's a very simple process, so make sure to follow along. So first of all, just simply open the Telegram application and download it if you don't have the application in your mobile device already, and log in into your Telegram account with your credentials if you already have an account. And after that, in order to scan the QR code, just simply click on the three dot menu icon from the top left hand side corner of the mobile screen, and from there just go to the settings option from the setting menu, from the account settings menu, and over here just simply scroll down and you will be able to see the option called devices. Just simply tap on it. And now in order to scan QR code in Telegram, you just simply have to click on link desktop device, and as soon as you click on it, just place your mobile on the desktop setting where you will be able to see the QR code. In order to link both these devices successfully, just simply hover your scanner to the QR code and your device will be linked quite easily. So this is basically how you will be able to scan QR code in Telegram. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.